What experiments have you done recently that have really caught your attention? And you're like, oh, that wasn't what I expected, but I'm glad it happened.
Yeah, so something that's really interesting at the moment is using customer caps on Advantage Plus campaigns.
Okay.
So the way you do it is you pretty much upload a customer list on your Advantage Plus campaigns, so existing customers,
Yep.
and then you can set a new customer percentage cap on the Advantage Plus campaigns. So you might say, hey, Meta, I only want these campaigns to see 10% new customers. So that way you can kind of mitigate how many new customers are seeing your Advantage Plus campaigns.
And what are the scenarios where you would want to mitigate new customers?
I think leading up to a Black Friday period is probably a really interesting way to do it, because you want the new customers to be purchasing leading up to Black Friday, if that makes sense. I guess if they're going to buy, you should really want them to pay full price.
So, really, anyone who already has the intention to buy or is likely to buy with you, you're trying to hide discounts from them.
Correct, yeah.